Do you want to know the secret, the how-to of building a successful online business? This is how you do it. What's up, fam? Taylor here. Thank you, 9fam, for being here. I love you. If you have already subscribed to our channel, thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, watch this video. If you got value out of it, subscribe to it. Now, today, I'm just chilling in my house. I'm currently in my basement right here. I got this big old sectional. You guys see all that? Got a TV. What's up? What's up, okay? But today I want to talk about something real special to me. It's kind of personal, and I think Kale kind of made a video like this a little bit ago, like last week or something. But guys, the secret, the how-to of building a successful online business, right? You guys know that, like, that's what we do, right? We're on YouTube, we do all this, and our goal is to just build an incredibly successful online business. Have we done that? You know what? I don't know. To some people we have. To us? Heck no. And you know what? All of these videos over the past like week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever it's been, we've been doing this thing where we've been showing numbers in every single video. You wanna know why? Because you guys asked us to. Because you guys were like, wait, Taylor and Kale just talk and seem like they know what they're talking about, but they never show any numbers. They never show how much money they're making. They never show all this. You wanna know why? Because we don't wanna brag. You wanna know why? Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much I'm making. Now, it doesn't matter how much somebody else is making. It doesn't matter. The only reason why how much money somebody is making matters is if you are taking advice from them, which is why we ended up doing it. Because guess what? I don't care what anybody thinks. If somebody doesn't like the way I do something, then don't watch me on YouTube. Don't listen to me. Don't do anything with me. Ignore me. Put me on block. I don't care. But we did want to show the numbers so that people who are listening to us, people who are taking advice from us, know that we know what we're talking about and we have social proof, right? Because social proof is the base of an online business, specifically a successful one. So I bet right now some of you guys are like, wait, okay, so what is this video about? What's it even about? Hold on, I'm gonna flip this light on. Bam! So we have light. I can see. People are being like, what is this video even about? I wanna know what the secret is to building a successful online business. Guess what? I'm gonna tell you what it is. I may or may not make you wait. I'm walking upstairs right now. I'm in the upstairs of my house currently. Guys, can we just take a second? Like literally just a second for one thing. Look at my doggy. Hey, Brody. Hey, boy. This dog is the best dog. I don't care who you are. I don't care what kind of dog you have. He's the best. Look at it. He's got a freaking Hakuna Matata Lion King collar on. Brody, say what's up to the people. Say what's up. You want to know why he's the best? He's literally the best because he never barks. Look at him, he's just laying on the bed. He never barks. He never does anything. He literally just chills. Except when you wanna take him to the dog park or... My wife likes to run. I'm not much of a runner. She likes to run. He likes to go on runs. He likes treats. Right now, outside of our house, we're literally getting this work done right now. Okay, this is my living room. We're literally getting this work done right now. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. See that thing that looks like just dirt being pulled up right now? See that? What we're doing right now is we're getting this thing called an invisible fence installed, right? We're getting this invisible fence installed because Brody has had this habit lately of running into the road. Look, I'm gonna open my front door. Light. See, the road is right there. I know you can't see my face, but look at that car. We don't want him to get hit. We don't want him to get in trouble. We love our dogs. We're getting this little invisible fence thing put in. It's pretty dope. And some of you guys are like, why am I sitting here listening to Taylor talk about his dog? I'm gonna tell you why. I'm sitting here talking about my dog and showing my dog to you and talking about how chill he is for one reason, okay? You have to understand, Brody's life. That's his name, Brody. Okay, his life consists of, he sleeps, he wakes up, he runs around, he plays with his toys, he gets fed, he gets let outside and he goes to the bathroom, he comes back in, maybe at some point he'll get fed again. He eats like twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, depending on how long we're awake. Does all this stuff But you know what? His life is like, could you imagine having the life of a dog where you just like sat there, ate, laid there, played, got fed, like everything was provided for you? You guys get what I'm saying? Like how incredible would that be? But see, here's the problem. The problem is that probably 95% of people who watch a video like this on YouTube, they go, oh wait, you're telling me I could make an online business. I could do something, I could make this money. Yesterday, we literally put up a video of one of our students making $125,000 a month on Amazon, okay? $125,000 a month, that's ridiculous. Like 40% of that is profit, so it's literally like $52,000 in profit per month. I don't know where this guy is right now who's putting in our invisible fence, so I don't wanna go outside and film and freak him out, but his life is given to him. And so many people email us, so many people message us, so many people do these things where they're like, hey guys, you know, like when Kale made that video last week when it was like, hey guys, hey, can you just give me your course for free? Or there are people who literally, okay, listen, if you're watching this video, I'm going back downstairs because I like my basement a lot, but there are people who message us and they're like, hey, listen, I'm really interested in your non-university course, but in order for me to purchase your course, I need to meet you face to face. And we've gotten a couple of emails, okay, this is not a lie, this is no joke. I respect you guys are out there, but just listen to what I'm saying. A couple of emails where it was literally like, hey, I want to start an Amazon business, but I need to make sure my mentors are legit. So if you want, I can fly to you and meet you. Or we got one offer where this guy wanted to fly us, I think to Florida maybe, for like a couple days. He was gonna put us up in a hotel, fly us down there so we could meet him and talk to him and help him. Here's the problem with that, okay? The problem with that is that too many people want it done for them. And you know what? I could make probably 100 million YouTube videos on the exact same topic, and maybe like 3 of you would like understand what I'm saying. Because I've said it in almost every single other YouTube video ever. Guess what the secret is? The how-to to creating an online business is. A successful online business. Guess what it is? Just go ahead, guess. Listen, I'm gonna sit here for like 2 seconds. Don't edit this out. We're not gonna edit anything. I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna let you think. Ready, set, go. Guys, the secret is working hard. Guys, the secret is that building an online business is not easy, okay? And we've said that it's easy, and it is, but it's not. Do you wanna know why it's not easy? Because it takes time, it takes work ethic, it takes you actually putting time in. Some people just see this like glamorous video on YouTube where it's like, hey, you can make this much money in 2 seconds, and they're like, oh, what? I'm gonna watch this video and I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna follow it step by step, but then I didn't make this much money in 2 seconds. What's wrong? It's their fault. It's the people who made the YouTube videos fault. It's their fault that this didn't work. Screw them. I'm gonna go leave a nasty comment, or I'm going to go and you know, send them a nasty email. You know, this morning we had this error where we put up our YouTube channel, or we put up our YouTube video at 11 a.m. because we're posting almost every day at 11 a.m. and we sent out an email saying, hey, go check out this video because it's a great video. And then what happened is, after the video was on YouTube, we realized something was wrong with it. We had to take it down, re-edit it, put it back up. Thomas, my brother, he's an amazing video editor. He's killing the game, and he re-edited like basically an entire video in like 15 minutes and put it back up, okay? And we sent out an email that said, hey, come watch this video. And then we sent out another email like 15 minutes later or 20 minutes later. It was like, hey, sorry, we made a mistake. We made an issue. Here is the real video. Pause for a second. Can you guys just look at this? Look at where I'm sitting right now. Do you see these 4 cushions right here? Like where my legs are and where I'm at? This is like a dream come true to me. Some people want Lamborghinis. Some people want mansions. You know what I want? I want a giant sectional that these 4 cushions, this is a fact by the way, okay? This is a fact that those 4 cushions make up a King California bed where I can lounge out and I can watch a movie. I don't watch as many movies as I'd like to because I have this awesome space, but the other night we watched the UFC fight and it was great. Okay, back to the point of the video. Guys, it's not gonna get done for you. Guys, you have to understand that a little over a year ago, we started in this business, okay? We started an Amazon FBA business and we had nothing. And by me saying nothing, I'm not like exaggerating in terms of like we didn't have any money, we were homeless, all that kind of stuff, because there are people who are doing this that are experiencing those things. Those were not things that we had to experience, okay? But what we didn't have is any of the knowledge. We didn't know how to rank or get reviews or how to launch or how to find products to sell on Amazon. We didn't know how to use Facebook ads or Instagram to get reviews or to launch a product on Amazon. We didn't know how to use Facebook's Facebook ads and build a Facebook ads agency and charge other people and spend their money to run Facebook ads for them. We didn't know what affiliate marketing was. We didn't know how to run affiliate marketing. We didn't have anything that we have now, and it was never given to us. The reason why we have is not because we're lucky. It's not because we're like super smart, because I promise you we're not. Sorry, Kale, we're not. Okay? The reason why we have what we have is because we've chosen to do two things for our successful online business so far. Okay? One, we got up every day knowing that we needed to do something. Even when both of us had jobs, now both of us have quit our job. When we both had jobs, what can I do today for this business? Okay? And number two, we've reinvested everything. We didn't buy Lamborghinis. I didn't buy a mansion. I live in a house. That's a nice house, don't get me wrong, but it costs literally half a single fraction of what some of these other gurus on YouTube are paying for houses, okay? And now what we're investing in is you guys. Guys, there's something coming out in just a couple weeks. It's not another course, okay? There may be another course coming out, maybe. But what I'm talking about right now, we invested almost $150,000 into. It's not a course. It's not anything like that. But if you are building an Amazon FBA business, it's gonna help you tremendously, okay? Guys, I think about what we're doing here, okay? I think about YouTube. I think about our Amazon business. I think about our courses. I think about our Facebook ads business. I think about everything that we're doing, okay? And I'm so grateful for it. I'm so grateful that you guys are out there and you're watching this video and you're watching me talk. I'm so grateful for the fact that, you know, people want to hear what we have to say. Thank you for that. It makes me feel good. It kind of boosts my ego. And sometimes my ego shouldn't be boosted. Guys, here, I'll give you this example, okay? I can go outside now. The invisible fence guy is gone. But now I have all these flags all over my yard. Look at all the flags. See all those flags? Little white things? Look at them. They go all the way around my yard. All the way around. They're in the front too. Look, see up there by the road? I got all of the flag. All of the little white flags. And guess what? They have to stay there for a month. A whole month I'm gonna have these little flags all over my yard. But I guess if I don't have to worry about Brody running out into the road, then that's okay. But guys, here's the deal. It's about 12:30 p.m. on Friday, okay? Here's how my day is gone. I woke up at about 6:30, took a shower, made some coffee, did some work on the computer, filled out a bunch of spreadsheets for something that is coming. Oh, it's dark. I need to get out of here. And then I answered a bunch of emails, and then I've been filming since then because we're coming out with something else too that I had to film a bunch for. And that's a decent Friday. I worked hard. I've done a lot of work, and I still have a lot of work to do today. But you want to know what I didn't do? I didn't get up. I didn't go to a job. I didn't go work for somebody else. I got up this morning at 6:30 because it's for me. Power. That thing that you know is so powerful. And guys, here for you in the 9 fam, okay? If you're still here, you are the fam, okay? Also, by the way, for the 9 fam, you guys know I bought that blue Golf R. Guess what? I got hit. It was a hit and run. The dude hit me, hit my car. Kale and Thomas were also in the car. Hit me and then drove away. And there's like a police report and my car can't be driven, so it's at the shop. And I have this white Nissan Sentra to drive. That's what I'm driving right now instead of my blue Golf R. Guys, I really miss my Golf R. But here are a couple more tips, tricks, hacks, that kind of thing for those of you in the 9 fam, okay? First off, there are too many people in the online world, okay? The online business world. I'm gonna go back here to get away from the road. That you guys are trying to fix problems before your problems even exist. Stop worrying. If you don't have a product up for Amazon FBA right now, stop worrying about how to launch it and how to get PPC up and running. You solve problems as they come, and that's a huge tip. And that's not only a tip for, you know, don't fix problems that don't exist, but you just need to get started. You wanna know why Kale and I think that 9 University is so valuable? And you wanna know why we have students that are making 6 figures per month on Amazon? Because when they go through the course, they aren't just like seeing the same other stuff that they see on YouTube. You wanna know what you get when you go through 9 University, when you get access to us, when you get access to the student live streams, when you get access to all that? You wanna know what you get? You get the fact that Kale and I have made so many mistakes, but we didn't just quit because of them. We learn from them and then we share that knowledge with other people. That's not saying that I'm a badass or I'm cool or something like that. What's that saying is that it's okay to make mistakes. Will you lose money? Maybe. But guess what? The potential, the opportunity, everything that building an online business, whether it be Amazon FBA, whether it be affiliate marketing, whether it be something with Facebook ads, whether it be Shopify dropshipping, whether it be anything, it's so powerful. Guys, this video was made noon on a Friday afternoon. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, repping 9U as always. And I'm at home, and it's not fancy. There's probably not gonna be a whole bunch of fancy edits unless Thomas goes nuts. okay? There's not some fancy presentation. There's not a, you know, like a screen drawing. There's not all that stuff. But here's the biggest secret. This is the answer to the question, or this is the answer, or the response to the statement of, this is how it's done. You wanna know how it's done? You just do it. And that sounds so simple, but what so many people forget, is the first thing that you have to do when you're gonna start an online business if you want to be successful. If you don't wanna be successful, if you just wanna waste all your money online and give your money to other people, then don't listen to this, okay? Don't listen to it. The first thing you have to do to have a successful online business is work on up here. That sounds so cliche, and it's really loud out here, so I'm gonna go back inside. It sounds so weird, and it's like, oh, so you're just telling me to get a whole bunch of self-help books and read them and then get my mind right. Kinda I am. But what I'm really telling you is you have to get your thought process down. You have to get your mindset right, and you have to say, you know what? This isn't easy, but I have the resources available to get the knowledge that I need to go and be successful. And if you think I'm lying, or you think I'm joking, or you think I don't know what I'm talking about, go look at all the success stories. Go look at all the videos we posted in the past 2, 3, 4 weeks that have all of our numbers on it that show how much money we make, and we're putting that all over the internet. Do you guys realize how like weird and cliche it is in a normal world, in a normal place to talk about income? No one talks about how much money they have. It's like a taboo subject, okay? Whether it should be or not is a completely different story, but no one talks about how much money they make. Guess what we've done? We put it all out there. We've been extremely transparent. We're showing you how much money we're spending. We're showing you how much money we're making. We're showing you everything. And people still have the gall, the balls to say that, oh, is this a scam? Oh, is this something that I should do? Oh, is it really gonna work for me? Shut up! The only reason it's not gonna work for you is you. The only difference between me and you is that I went and started and am doing it. I have not done anything. And I feel like this is just a rant, like for the 9 fam, okay? Because if you're still watching this video, then you are truly in the 9 fam. You're doing it big time, and I know that your mindset is right, okay? Have we been successful? Sure, by some people's standards. Have we been successful by my standards? Absolutely not. We can't stop. We can't go buy Lamborghinis. We can't do any of that because we've got so much more to do. Could we do it if we wanted to? Sure. Are we going to do it? No, because we're not stopping here. We're not gonna get comfortable. We're not gonna say, oh, well, we're making all this money. We're making over 6 figures a month now in straight profit from one of our businesses, and we have 4, okay? We have 4. That's just from one of them. Could we stop and go sit on a beach and go on a vacation and take my wife to Hawaii and buy her everything she wants within reason? Yeah, I could. But I don't want to do that because I want to work my ass off so that 15 years from now, I can take my wife and my kids anywhere in the world. We can go wherever we want. We can do anything we want, and I can buy my wife anything, even if it's outside of reason, because that's what being an entrepreneur is. That's what being an entrepreneur is having choices and making your own decisions. Am I throwing crap at anybody who has a Lamborghini, or anybody who spends their money, or anybody who does anything that way? Absolutely not. That's their prerogative. They can do what they want. But what I'm telling you is we're not stopping, and regardless of whether you've started or you haven't started yet, get started or keep going, and you can do the same thing. Building a successful online business is as simple as getting started, getting your mind right, getting the knowledge, and executing. If you can do that, then there is absolutely no reason in the entire world why you can't be 10 times as successful as Kale and I are right now. There's no reason in the world why you can't be 100 million times more successful than Kale and I are. There's no reason in the world why 30, 40, 50 years from now, your name can't be the same name and talks about with the same reverence as Elon Musk and Bill Gates and all these big people right now. You know who I want to be when I grow up? I want to be Gary Vee, because Gary Vee doesn't give a shit about what anyone thinks about him, but I respect the ever-living crap out of him. Guys, I know this video has been long. I know this video has just been me talking to a camera. I've kind of been walking around my house, so there were people who wanted to see my house, so there you go. Guys, it's not about a house. It's not about a car. It's not about what you can buy. It's not about wearing Gucci and Louis Vuitton, and it's not about that. What it's about is you. Can you get your mindset right to build a successful business? Can you execute on that? And then what legacy can you leave? That is what's most important. And here's my final words. Final words. Don't be like Brody. He's got an amazing life. He's an amazing dog, and I love him. But he sleeps, eats, poops, plays, repeat. There's so much more out there for you. Love you guys. See you in the next one.